Hey everybody, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. We just got back from our little weekend off. It's Sunday, and I wanted to throw this fuel rail together real quick, and I realized that there's probably some stuff that I should cover for people who are new to the channel. These are stock 5.3 flex fuel injectors. If you see my fuel injector video, you'll see they're good for about 33 pounds an hour, which is about 10 pounds an hour over a stock truck injector. I might be fudging my numbers a little bit, one or two here and there, whatever, you get the point. So I got these from the junkyard. They were in a L59 Tahoe, which will have a yellow cap flex fuel on it. This is a stock return line truck fuel rail, return style. So this is a regulator. It's built in. It's boost reference. It's good to 3 bar. These flow a ton of fuel. The restriction, as everybody pointed out, is going to be in the crossover. But it's not much of a restriction until about 800 horsepower. The stock lines, I just cut them off. If you have one of these little tools, it makes removing them like super easy, to where you just put this in there and kind of slide it and it does its thing. And usually I do it two-handed, so hold on a second. Okay, once you get it, you just jam it in there, and then this should pretty much come off. There's like those clips inside there that grab on. So we got I think they're 3/8 and I don't know, something else. Doesn't really matter. Feed, return. This is Russell, that part number 644123. And there's some other older ones out there that do what this one does, but this one does it better. So the ones with the plastic clips that just snap on there, I would avoid. People have claimed they caught their car on fire with them and some stuff like that, and it sounds not fun. So alright, I had it all screwed up on my own video. You put it on there like so, and it butts up against the factory flare. And I'm going to rotate it over so it don't fall off on me. Then you just thread the other part on, and it seals it all up. No, I still got it screwed up. So what you do with this is you pop this side on the back side of that flare, and there's an O-ring down inside there, and you shove it on here a little bit. It takes a little bit of force, and it's somewhat tricky to do one hand, and try to bear with me, please. Alright, so that's it. You get it. It's together. The other thing I wanted to point out is I pulled these, I don't know what the hell, if these are from, they must be from the end of the harness plug, but they were stuck down in there. So you want to make sure that you have all your O-rings on, and that you don't drop your little adapter. Look at the bottom, look at the top, because some of my O-rings stayed in the intake. So you just want to make sure you have them all. And this goes to -6AN, which is what I'm going to run to the pump. That's what I'm going to run to the pump, is -6AN once I actually hook it up. But for temporary purposes, I'm not going to be messing with this at all. I just wanted to cover it for today. So that's really it. It's a short but sweet update. It's been a short but sweet weekend because I kind of took the time off with my family. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Driveway Engineer.